Hey there! Today we'll see how can we turn on and turn off the home load by using a smartphone with help of ESP8266 Wi-Fi module. For this project, you have to know about the ESP8266 Wi-Fi module. The ESP8266 Wi-Fi module is a self-contained SoC with integrated TCP or IP protocol stack that can give any microcontroller access to your Wi-Fi network. The ESP8266 is capable of either hosting an application or offloading all Wi-Fi networking from another application processor. Each ESP8266 module comes pre-programmed with an AT command set firewire, meaning you can simply hook this up to your Arduino device and get about as much Wi-Fi ability as a Wi-Fi Shield offers. Note, the ESP8266 module is not capable of 5 to 3 volt logic shifting and will require an external logic level converter. So do not power it directly from your 5 volt board. Now let's start our project. The PCB boards used in these projects are ordered from the jlcpcb.com. PCB boards come in such a box. The color quality of this PCB board is very professional. To order such a good quality PCB board, you have to go to jlcpcb.com. After that, you can see an official page of jlcpcb. Here you have to select Code Now. Now add your Gerber file. From the option Add to your Gerber file. After the Gerber file upload complete, select color and quality from here and then click on Save to Cart. Then click on Checkout securely and give the proper shipping address and complete your order by MasterCard or credit card. In this project, beside PCB board, we also need ESP8266 module 1 piece, 8MHz 328p module 1 piece, 28-pin PIC base 1 piece, 5V DC relay 2 piece, 3.3V voltage regulator IC 1 piece, 16MHz crystal IC 1 piece, S9014 transistor 2 piece, 10 microfarad 15V capacitor 1 piece, 1N4007 diode 2 piece, 1K ohm resistor 4 piece, 10K ohm resistor 1 piece, green LED 2 piece, green AC block 2 pin 1 piece, green AC terminal 3 pin 2 piece, 22 picofarad ceramic capacitor 2 piece and F2M IC rail. Now put all the parts on the PCB board. So our simulation is complete. Now is the time to go to remotexy.com. There click on Start Now. Then you will see the home page of remotexy.com. There are many options here. Now drag and drop a switch here like that. You can change this mobile display to horizontal mode. You can also change the color and size of all elements to your liking if you want. Then go to the configuration from here, click on the Bluetooth icon and from here select the Wi-Fi. Next click on the Arduino icon and from here select the Arduino device. Then from the module select the ESP8266 module. Then go to the module interface and from here select the hardware interface and from speed select 115200. Then in the bottom you will see a password. You have to remember this password. You can also customize this password. Then go to the element from here. For switch 1 select the snap to pin 13 and for switch 2 select the snap to pin 12. Then click on the source code. There you will see 6 steps. From step 1 if you click on download the source, the code for Arduino will be start download. From step 2 you will get the library of remotexy.com. You have to download this library also. After download complete, open the program which we download from step 1. After open it, go to Sketch from here. Select the include library and then select the add chip library. Then open the library of remotexy. Then check your program to see if all pin numbers are correct. Then select the compile. After that select the port and upload this program in Arduino. Now open the IC from Arduino and put it in this device. To supply this battery, I will connect the two connector wires. Now I will use this meter to find out which is the common and normal pin of this relay. I will take two AC lamps as a load and a 2-pin AC plug. Take two wires from these two AC lamps and connect with a wire of the AC plug. Then take another wire and connect with a small wire. Then connect them in common pin. And take the other wires of the AC lamps and connect them in normally open pin. Now install the remotexy app from Play Store on your smartphone. After install complete, open the app, then click on the plus icon. Now turn on the Wi-Fi, then you can see a remotexy option. You have to select it. After that, you have to give the password which one was given to you from remotexy.com website. So my device is already connected. Now you can turn on and turn off the AC lamps, fans or other AC load by using your smartphone like that. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and share this video and don't forget to subscribe this channel.